Let me tell you the basic setup. So you're going to take a hose, you're going to attach it to the pressure washer, and then you're going to plug it into your water source. Then you're going to use probably an extension cord to plug the machine into an outlet. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. The nozzle is already attached, that is attached to the sprayer, and then there's just a simple trigger on the sprayer. My pavers were so filthy, this took me a long time, but you can see that it's really taking all that disgusting grime off. If you're washing something as dirty as this, you do want to make sure to kind of wash away the dirt even after you've sprayed it off so it doesn't dry back on your pavers or on your driveway. My hand did get a little tired pulling the trigger, but you see I'm using 2 hands here to help support. When I used 2 hands, I was able to pressure wash for up to an hour at a time. One mistake I made was going a little bit too close to my pavers. You can see over here on the right side, I actually pressure washed away some of the color, like some of the rock is exposed on my pavers. But really, mine were so filthy, I don't know that I had much of a choice. This machine did the job, and I do recommend it.